Guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe I found gulab jamun powder mix at Walmart, so I thought I'm gonna add this into some ingredients I had in my mind, which is making donut holes or drop donuts or mini donut balls, and they turn out well. It tastes nice, like, you know, a little bit spices. I have to mention that these donut balls or donut holes or donut bites, you can also make the syrup just like gulab jamun, but it's not gonna be like gulab jamun. It's just that it tastes like gulab jamun. Check it out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
One box of gulab jamun instant mix with 3/4 cup of cold milk. We're gonna add the baking soda and powder milk. Just mix it. We're gonna add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of enriched flour. And we're gonna add this cardamom chai instant chai latte mix just to flavor it. You can add the whole pouch or you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons, and we're gonna mix it again. So in total this is about 7 tablespoons of enriched flour with 1.5 cup of skim milk powder, and again 1 pouch of chai moments instant chai latte mix, the cardamom flavor, or you can use the ginger, it's good as well. Now you want to grease your palm with olive oil and shape this dough into balls or shape rounds. So just rub between your two palms and shape into balls. Now all you gotta do is heat your cooking oil, and you can fry them until browning on all sides, and fry them until they're floating to the surface. That means it's cooked. Again, if you want, you can soak it in syrup, otherwise I like to eat it as is. Your cardamom milk balls is ready to be served. They are like donut bites, so good. I make some syrup for some of them. So this is only a little sugar with a couple of cardamom pods, green cardamom pods that I boiled together, and then I added a little rose syrup. You can also use orange syrup, it's good, but again, otherwise you can eat your milk balls just as is.